This right here is what it's all about. When you see this much joy on your kid's face, you don't think about all the money spent, all the walking and driving to make this happen. You just think about this moment and how it was all worth it. Hello, everyone, and thank you for checking out this video. Thank you to all the new subscribers. In this video, I will be sharing with you all my recent trip to SeaWorld Orlando and Jacksonville, and some of the things we did here, as well as the hotels we stayed at. Since I began with getting drenched by orcas, I will continue with SeaWorld first. SeaWorld Orlando is a place my family likes to visit about every 3 years or so, especially while my kids are young. In this photo, you can see how my kids have changed since the last visit. Okay, so I'm going to switch gears a little bit and show you a couple of the roller coasters that we did. We did Atlantis and we did Mako. We did a couple other roller coasters too, but I was super stoked to get my family to do Mako because my kids are terrified of roller coasters. My daughter thought she was going to die and my son was just freaking out. But after everything was all said and done, we had a great time. And then I'll show you guys some video clips of Atlantis which is always an amazing ride to get on. One of the things that impresses me about SeaWorld is how they continually find ways to evolve. Even if you can't do every ride, the things you can still do make it a great trip. One of the things we did differently this time around was bought the all-day dining deals. I paid for 2 of them, and each time we ate, we shared the food, which was plenty for us. We managed to eat 3 times and was literally rolling out of the park by the time we left. The portions at SeaWorld are pretty big, so I highly recommend purchasing the all-day dining deals. And if you're lucky, can even find a discount too. I paid roughly $85 for 2 dining deal passes and definitely got my money's worth. Each time we got food, the totals were about $70 to $73. So after only 2 meals, the passes paid for themselves. When it comes to hotels, you have so many options when it comes to where to stay. And most of the hotels have free shuttles to all the major theme parks in Orlando as well. But for us, we chose Embassy Suites Resort at Lake Benavista and had a great time. The free hot breakfast, happy hour, and reasonably priced food items and options was a major plus. The only drawback was they didn't have a shuttle for SeaWorld, so we had to pay for parking. But maybe that's a good thing because we stayed the entire day and we watched amazing fireworks at the end, which was arguably the best I've ever seen. You could even feel the heat from the fire, which I bet could be scary if you sat up front, but our seats were perfect. Before leaving Orlando, we made a stop at Disney Springs, and I think this could be great to catch a movie and some good food, or just something free to do that is Disney related. Since we live in Georgia, we always break up our trip with a stop in Jacksonville, and we chose the Hampton Inn right on Jacksonville Beach and had another great time. The pool was great, and being so close to the beach was also super convenient. Jacksonville Beach has pretty small waves, which are perfect for my kids. Yet the waves are still big enough for bodyboarding, and we got lucky with perfect weather while we were here. Just like Orlando, so many great places to eat at. The challenge we found was that many of the restaurants were small with long lines, but we found two great restaurants. The first one was Joe's Crab Shack right on the beach, and Mavi, which was a waterfront restaurant at a marina. And both restaurants were calm, and the food was great. And I have to say, this has been a great visit to Florida. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you again to the new subscribers. If you like the video, make sure you like, and make sure you subscribe if you like my content. And also check out the other videos I have. I'm very big on the law of attraction and Forex, and just all in all, trying to help people with good information. All right. Thanks again, everybody, and have a great day.